yung gamit nila rin at ni Sam YG.
Yeah, that's right. This is
In fairness sa kanya, medyo talk of the town siya these days.
Yes, it is. This is actually the ultra amazing Samsung Smart Camera WB150F.
Paano? Isa pa.
Isa pa. Samsung Smart Camera WB150F.
Gusto ko yan.
Yes.
Okay, ngayon alam ko na kung bakit nagustuhan ni Lorraine. Iba na naman siya sa mga reasons na kaya nagustuhan din ni Sam YG. Ikaw, bakit mo nagustuhan ng
I actually like
Samsung
this
Smart
camera
Camera?
because it can take pictures and the resolution is very, very good.
It's very, very
Good. I like it so very much.
Smell very.
B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry.
Wag na. Okay. Saan yung nagagawa mo dyan?
With this one, because you know what, actually, there is a setting for this for video recording, which makes your video upload ready.
Upload ready?
Yes.
Wow, so hindi lang pala mga pictures ang pwede mong i-upload ka agad, kundi pati video.
Yes, video uploading and then uploading and everything else.
So, pwede mo i-upload sa Twitter, sa Facebook,
That is right.
agad-agad?
But we're gonna go there later. Wait a minute.
Okay, sorry.
So what you do first is, you just fix the setting,
Okay.
and then you take a 30-second video, and
Okay.
then you're good to go. You're good to go.
That's
Bye-bye.
exactly what you need bilang isa kang, yun yung hobby mo, di ba? Pag-video ng,
Yes.
pag mga videos para sa YouTube. Perfect para sa'yo.
It is so perfect. So, once you do that, you're done with the video recording, you upload it straight to your YouTube account, which is so very convenient for me. Did you want me to show you how to do that?
Pag sinabi mong YouTube account, so ibig sabihin pwede kang mag-login dyan.
Yes, you can
So,
log in.
login ka dyan.
Log in here, and then it's gonna connect automatically to your YouTube.
To your YouTube. Hindi lang pala isa.
YouTube.
Baka lang dalawa daw yung account
It's
mo.
plural for in my world.
It's plural
It's
everything.
plural in my world. There's S.
It's plural everything in your world. Okay, makita na kung paano.
So here, let me just show you. See that? Wait, let me just turn it on first so it can look realistic. Okay. So let's pretend I'm doing that.
Okay.
See? So it's so very, very easy.
Alright.
You can upload your videos anytime, anywhere. It's convenient.
Anywho.
Anytime, anywhere, anywho, anybody, anyone,
Any
any kind. Yes, any kind.
Okay, siguro maganda kung i-upload mo na yung video mo.
Yeah,
Ate
so,
kalokohan.
and now,
Kalokohan natin to.
here, this is not actually the first time I use this camera. So let me show you my video, my newest tutorial using this Samsung Smart Camera WB150F. Here guys, this is Pacha Makalimuyang, and it's getting hot and hot in the Philippines, because it's summertime again. What time is it? It's time to hit the beaches. So today, I will be teaching you how to have a picture-perfect glamour. All you need is a Samsung Smart Camera, a photographer, bikinis, a zesty body, or any kind of body. Just put some make-ups and a lot of confidence. So let's start with the basic poses, shall we? Here's the day off. Look, a tree. I'm going to hug. Look, beautiful sand. Look, a boat. Look, it's me and Madam. In the beach.